This is the case of persistent pulmonary hypertension of newborn. In this image, this is parasternal long axis image, right ventricle outlet view. So in this view, what you see, right ventricle outlet, you can see this image. This is left atrium, this is left ventricle, so this is mitral valve, this is right ventricle, this is main pulmonary artery, this is pulmonary valve, and this is left pulmonary artery branch, and lateral to this or left to this is patent ductus arteriosus with bidirectional blood flow, indicating raised right ventricle systolic pressure or raised pulmonary artery systolic pressure. Because flow is bidirectional, it means flow is from aorta to pulmonary artery, again pulmonary artery to aorta. So certain part of cardiac cycle, pressure inside pulmonary artery becomes more than that of aorta. It means pressure within the pulmonary artery circulation has become more compared to normal pressure. You can see bidirectional flow in this image. This is flow from pulmonary artery to aorta. This is flow from pulmonary artery to aorta. Blue flow. The flow is away from the probe, indicating flow from pulmonary artery to aorta. That is flow from right to left. Just see. This is flow from aorta to pulmonary artery. Flow is red in color. So this is bidirectional flow in patent ductus arteriosus, indicating raised right ventricular systolic pressure. So this case has likely to have persistent pulmonary artery hypertension. This patient is only 7 days old neonate, indicating persistent pulmonary hypertension of newborn. Again, see the same thing. PDA with bidirectional blood flow. Same thing, PDA with bidirectional flow. Only thing is this view is parasternal short axis view. In this view, a structure that you see, this is aorta. This is aorta. This is main pulmonary artery. R for right pulmonary artery, L for left pulmonary artery, and P for PDA. So you can see this right from right side. You start this right pulmonary artery branch, this is left pulmonary artery branch, and most lateral one is patent ductus arteriosus. This view is parasternal short axis view at the level of pulmonary artery bifurcation and slightly higher, more cranial. Whenever you go little bit more cranial, you will find out PDA. So this is patent ductus arteriosus. The small in size, flow is bidirectional. Whenever the flow is bidirectional, it always indicates raised right ventricular systolic pressure or raised pulmonary artery systolic pressure. Because if there is no pulmonary valve obstruction, then raised right ventricular systolic pressure is equivalent raised pulmonary artery systolic pressure. So in this view, you can easily see the pulmonary artery, 3 branches, one is right pulmonary artery, left pulmonary artery, and the third one, last one, most lateral one is patent ductus arteriosus. Same thing, but this is right ventricle outlet view, modified parasternal long axis view, short axis view. You can see patent foramen ovale, flow from left to right. Here the blue flow is very minimum. This is patent this is patent foramen ovale, flow from left atrium to right atrium. This is left atrium, this is right atrium. So LA to right RA, left atrium to right atrium. So I want to show right to left flow. Flow is mainly left to right, but very minimum right to left. This blue flow, this is right to left flow. So ultimately flow is mainly left atrium to right atrium, mainly left to right. Again the same thing, PDA with bidirectional flow. This is mild to moderate TR, mainly mild TR, and this case has got severely raised right ventricular systolic pressure. Again you see this is short axis view. You can see left ventricle D-shaped. This is D-shaped left ventricle, indicating raised right ventricle systolic pressure. You can see the pressure across tricuspid valve, that is pressure, right ventricular systolic pressure minus right atrial pressure is equal to 64 mm mercury. So ultimately indicating severely raised right ventricular systolic pressure or severe pulmonary artery hypertension. Same thing, if you just take measurement here, pressure comes across 64 mm, velocity around 4 meter per second. This is TRZ chamber, right atrium, right ventricle moderate to severe enlargement. You can see severely enlarged right atrium, right ventricle. This is mild MR. So this case has got persistent pulmonary hypertension of newborn with patent ductus arteriosus with bidirectional flow and very small PFO with left-right flow mainly. Thank you.